Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Space Heater. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Space Heater. Control your heater from your phone anytime. Turn the heater on and off, change temperature, create schedules, and more using the free Atomi Smart app. Also works via simple voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. Number 4. Vornado Electric Space Heater. Intelligently senses how much heat and circulation is needed to maintain set temperature, and makes adjustments automatically, so you don't have to. Number 3. Dr. Infrared Portable Space Heater. Can heat up a large room with auto energy saving model with high and low feature, tip over protection and overheat protection, IR remote control, high pressure, low noise blower with noise level 39 decibels, super quiet. Heating can cover for a large room. Number 2. Trustec Electric Space Heater. The portable space heater, combined with remote control, digital touch panel, and built-in handle, you can control the portable space heater remotely, carry it from room to room. The overheating and 45 degrees over tip protection promise the safe space heater shut off automatically. Number 1. Sunday Living Infrared Space Heater. This electric indoor space heater, equipped with 2 infrared heating tubes, can heat up in 3 seconds. With adjustable thermostat function, this infrared space heater can be set to maintain temperature range from 59 to 86. Enjoy your desired warmth